we are taking a halt for refueling of petrol. Actually, the tank is half full,
Still,
but still we will be doing full.
because I think it's cheaper.
It's cheaper in Goa rather than full petrol. So the petrol refueling is done, and it was almost of rupees 2060 something. Yes, let's see it again. 2060 rupees, and we almost filled our tank. Like the tank is full now. It's showing the range of 480 kilometers, but our destination is around 191 kilometers. So probably we will be going and coming in the same fuel. Okay, so actually we had woke up at around 10:30 a.m.
Because yesterday
we slept at around 3:30 a.m.
Why? Because we were chit-chatting with our family.
So we actually did not had our lunch. We had our breakfast at around 12 p.m.
No, it's not breakfast. It is known as brunch.
Maybe brunch.
So once we are hungry, we will eat something. But I have carried some of the boiled peanuts from home
Yes.
so that we can eat them.
Actually, our pollution certificate is expired on 6th of this
May.
month, May. So we have to
Yeah.
renew it first, and then we have to move ahead. So we are looking for pollution renewal centers on the highway. So yeah, stay tuned for this.
So Sahil, where we have reached now?
We have reached Asnoda. We are actually running late. The event is at 6:30 p.m. and we are cut to cut. So the arrival time is 5:45, and we have to spend around at least 5 to 10 minutes for pollution control renewing center, the certificate renewal.
Still, we have not got a PUC center. We are still searching for it.
PUC is on the mystery.
We don't know now, and I am also looking for it.
So we have found one PUC now.
Yes.
We just saw a board.
Yes.
PUC is ahead, so we will be waiting there. Finally.
So here I am having this Moor Pankha. So I am keeping this in my car always. So it is like the status of Goddess Lakshmi.
So guys, that PUC center was closed.
Yes.
Bad luck.
So we have to
Let's
search
see.
for.
Another one. There was his contact number. We could have contacted him and he might have come, but the thing
We
is
are not having that
now-
much of time.
We are not, but
राहू ना किद्याक साईद मी
we are.
बोलतले ना हाँ
But we are not having that much of time.
he is
right
not
now.
allowing me to speak. He is only speaking,
You speak it.
and I don't want to speak in English.
You
I
take
don't know if you can understand our language, that is of Paranam. So that's why we are speaking in English. guys, this is a Kuragar. I don't know if you have visited in Goa. You can see such a beautiful plantation of coconut trees and areca nut trees. Areca nut ना? सुपारीच्या झाडाक काय म्हणतात? So now I am hungry and we have brought these peanuts. I have boiled them at home and we have carried it as a snack for traveling. So there are some peanuts and there are some jackfruit seeds. Okay, so these are Goan snack seasonal jackfruit seeds. So see, you can see this. So now we are eating this as a snack. Since this is a snack, so now we are eating these peanuts as a snacks. These are the boiled peanuts. So since we have done a brunch, that is at around 11 a.m. Now we are hungry because it's almost 3, and I am giving this to Sahil so that he can eat. So these are some of the small tricks to avoid outside eating. Yes, you can cheat one meal in traveling, but these are some of the healthy items. Wait.
Chalo, we will eat now peacefully and then we will meet you.
Yeah. Welcome to Karnataka. May I welcome you. So now we have finished eating our snacks and now we have entered in Karnataka.
Just entered in Karnataka right now. So yeah, the ghat is over. There's a long
we have
ghat,
gone
Chawla Ghat.
from Chawla Ghat.
We have routed from Goa, Bicholim, Chawla, and now.
And now still it is showing 2 hours 42 minutes.
So we have almost traveled 2 hours, I think. Quarter
Yes.
to 1 hour and 45 minutes.
So we have finished our
Now the time
snacks.
is
Not finished.
3
Still
o'clock.
they are there. Upper part we have finished.
Chalo, see you somewhere in the highway.
Yes.
Let's finish this ghat. Here there is something congestion is there.
So he's guiding Sahil about. So I think these two trucks here, you can see these two trucks, they are banda. That's why. So this is a congestion here because of these two trucks. Now we have successfully moved on. We have cleared Claude still. This is our Goan Kadamba in Karnataka. Okay, so now we have reached somewhere in the village, which is Vadgaon. The village name is Vadgaon. And you can see there is jungle here. When we are traveling in jungle, it's a very small road. So Google Baba has taken us from a small road. Okay, so we are traveling since still there is 1 hour 58 minutes for a destination.
So guys, after a long ghat and villages, we finally reached on a highway. So yes, exactly 59 minutes, that is 1 hour remaining to our arrival. So yes, we are on time. We have reached, and actually we had reached half an hour early. So we just checked in and we just freshened up, and we are now ready to go to our event. Okay. So yes, I will not be vlogging now at the event site. So I will vlog after the event, and we will show you how we are experiencing Hubli, Dharwad. So yes, okay. So yes.
So now we are going with the celebrity of this program.
Yes, so there is one harmonium solo,
Yeah.
and he is my guru, the sir, and we are going with him. So yes, I might vlog, I might not vlog, but let's see how the things go. But I'll show you with him.
बैठक का जो एक फीलिंग है, जो ट्रेडिशनल जो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि उस टाइम जिस तरीके से कॉन्सर्ट्स होते होंगे और आप भी जहाँ होते हैं तो वहाँ का एक माहौल अलग हो जाता है, एक अलग वाइब्रेशन क्रिएट हो जाती है, एक क्या बोलते हैं लेन देन हो जाती है। और